Hi you guys, in today's video I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can get colored lashes for yourself using any old lashes you have. So I'm using my Bava lashes. This is the style Nita. I love these. I've used them for my wedding. I just have a ton of these, so I decided to use these. You don't really need any particular lash. They can be from the beauty supply store, they can be an old pair, whatever it may be, but it's super duper simple. Also, if you haven't already gone ahead and subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's get into the part that you need to know. So you'll need an eyeshadow base. So I use my ABH eyeshadow base. You'll need like something that's white. So you can use an eyeshadow base, you can use like a milk jumbo pencil, something that is going to conceal the eyelash. You could probably even use concealer if you don't have like a white type of eyeshadow base. I felt like a white eyeshadow base would be the best fit because it's really going to cover up the black lash. Black lashes can be very dark and hard to conceal and cover, so I'm just blending it out, and then I'm going to take a pair of tweezers and just peel them off and flip them over, because you might forget to do the back half and you need to make sure you cover that as well, because this entire lash is going to need to blend into your lashes. So just flip them over. I'm using a kabuki, like a small kabuki brush from Sigma, and I'm using that to pack on this and brush on this eyeshadow base. So I'm going to be using my Morphe 35i. This is the Ice Fantasy Pastel palette. I'm going to take that pastel blue. It's so gorgeous. I love this color. And I'm going to take this dense eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to go into the palette and just really make sure to pack this on. I probably spent a good amount of time just patting this eyeshadow onto the lashes to make sure that it was completely saturated and completely colored. You could also use liquid lipsticks. I've seen Ragged Royal on Instagram. She has done this technique, and she used liquid lipstick, and then Gabrielle XL or something like that on Instagram, she also did this technique with the eyeshadow. So out of the two techniques, I felt like this one might be a little bit easier and less messy. I don't know, but also make sure to flip over to the back side once again and get that side as well. And I'm going to show you guys what I did on my natural lashes so you guys can see kind of what I did. So now that we're done covering the entire lash with the eyeshadow, I'm just going to use a spoolie and just brush out the lashes just to make sure they don't get clumped up, because you are using a cream product. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Like, there's nothing too spectacular or too hard about it. It's really simple. But for my lashes, I just use the same mascara wand with a little bit more of that eyeshadow base from ABH, and just coated my lashes and then popped the fake lashes on and went ahead and packed on that blue eyeshadow. But that completes the little tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye.